Contracting companies or contracting work is, at the beginning, everyone's your best friend because they want you to pay. Then once you pay, then you fall to the back of the list. And that's my biggest frustration, is if you and I agree on something, I'm agreeing to pay you. I expect you to agree to complete that work. And with other companies, sometimes I have to get a little aggressive, and I don't like to do that. Not once did I have to do that with home trainers. Valora reached out to me before I reached out to home trainer, or Mark would reach out to me. The only time I would reach out to Mark was if I had a question on sizing or design work. There was never a time when I said, why is home trainers taking so long? Or why haven't they called me back or returned my call? Never. And I'm not just saying that, it really was the truth. Where with other companies, it's really tough to get someone to come, especially when the project is complete and not done correctly, to get someone to come back. Fortunately, my project with Home Train Works was completed to a point where I didn't need them to come back to fix it.